Oh Lord, what am I going to do with all this? I just recently did a big book of all my loose artwork from the last year, but I have drawers and drawers of artwork from other years, and this is just a sample. Oh, I have pen drawings. I've added color to some others. I've done some little drawings around the neighborhood. Oh, it goes so deep. What am I going to do? Okay, I think I know what's going on. I'm 74 years old, and I can't bear the idea of leaving this mess of disorganized artwork for my kids and my grandkids to sort of plow through and try to make sense of. And now I don't plan on leaving anytime soon. I also realize that in every year that passes, that I don't do something with this collection of artwork, I lose a little bit more momentum for ever doing it. And I'd like to see it all in a different form. So I'm going to work my way through all of it as I continue to make more art, of course. And I'm hopefully going to come up with some ways to organize it, display it all, and eventually pass it on to others. And while I'm doing that, I'm kind of looking for ways to that I might use some of it in a creative, charitable way, to give it another life. So stay tuned. I have quite a few ideas. I have quite a few drawers. I have a lot of art. We're going to start with the first one. I'm going to do a little miniature gallery of my faces of people that I have drawn over the years. I have lots of little tiny sketches because I used to carry around a little tiny sketchbook and draw people's faces all the time for practice. And I have a lot of those. So I'm going to bind them in a little different kind of book than I did with the big book of artwork that I did last week. So come along and see what I do there. And don't give up on me, because aside from that, I have a bunch of other ideas about what to do with some of the art and eventually clear out those drawers. So let's get to work making something, or get to play making something. Oh dear, as I go through the drawers, I find there are, things that I have just forgotten all about. I think maybe I need to make myself a coloring book. Yes, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, I figured it out.